In this video, I'm going to show you short division. It's a long division shortcut that relies on your mental math ability and your ability to keep numbers in your head for a certain period of time. In this example, we have 837 divided by 6. Now on the left, I'm going to show you the traditional method, and you work that problem out with me. All right. 6 times what number gets me close to 8 without going over? Good. 6 times 1 is what?
6.
Yeah, I write that under the 8, and I subtract, leaving 2. The next step is to bring down the 3, and now I do that same process again. 6 times what number gets me close to 23 without going over?
3.
6 times 3 is 18. That gets us as close as we can. 6 times 4 is 24, and that's just 1 too much. So I do my subtraction, and I end up with 5. I bring down the 7, and I start the process one last time. 6 times what number gets me close to 57?
9.
6 times 9 is 54. I subtract, leaving me with a remainder of 3. So 837 divided by 6 is 139, remainder 3. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to use the same problem, and we're going to do this the shortcut method, or the short division. All right, 6 times what is close to 8 without going over? 1. All right, what is 6 times 1? 6. Ooh, we were so close. How close to 8 were we?
2 away.
We were 2 away. So instead of subtracting that 6, I'm going to put that 2 right next to the 3. And now I'm going to take the 23. 6 times what number is close to 23 without going over?
3.
That's good. 6 times 3 is 18. We were trying to get 23. How far away did we get?
5.
All right, we were 5 away. I'm going to put that right next to the 7. Now, 6 times what number is close to 57 without going over?
9.
9. And what is 9 times 6?
54.
54. We were trying to get 57. How far away were we?
3.
We were 3 pieces away, and that becomes our remainder. So boys and girls, you can see that we're still doing the same math. We're just not recording everything down and underneath our dividend. We're doing most of the work right there at the dividend. So let's try another one. In our second example, we have 629, and we're dividing it by 8. Okay, so we need to figure out 8 times what number gets us close to 6, but we know that that's 0. So instead of taking just the 6 by itself, we're going to take the 62. So 8 times what number gets us close to 62 without going over?
7.
Good. 8 times 7 is what?
56.
56. Now I need to, whoops. All right, you caught me in a little mistake here. I need to remember to do the short division method. All right, 8 times 7 is what? 56. I was trying to get to 62. How far away was I?
6.
6. Now be careful here. I was going into the 62. I did the whole thing of 62. So I'm done with this one. The 6 goes by the 9. Okay, good. 8 times what number gets us close to 69 without going over? 8. What is 8 times 8? 64. I was trying to get to 69. How far away was I? 5. That becomes my remainder because there's nothing left in the dividend. Okay? Go ahead and do your best trying this short division, the long division shortcut. And again, if this is not for you, you can always choose to do either the forgiving method or the traditional method.